Hello, thanks for joining me tonight, or today, depending on when you watch the video. But I'm really excited for this unboxing. I just got this box in today. I got my shipment from Joann's, which came a little on the slow side for them to even just ship it out. It took almost, I think, a week for them just to even ship it, so that was a little slow, but it's okay. I did not like having to pay $7 for shipping. I wish they'd let you use 2 coupons because I did use a 50% off coupon to get this one. But I'm very excited for it. It is the Diamond Dotz Gone But Not Forgotten Advance Kit. I did use the 50% off coupon, so it ranges between $94 to $124 to $30. And I got the kit with shipping and all for only like 60 bucks. So I'm very excited for it. I can't wait to get started. I'm going to start it in August because I'm finishing up a couple of other projects I'm doing. But stay tuned for the video, and I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hey, thanks for joining me again. So this is the box that I got in the mail today. I can barely fit the whole box on screen. It is as tall as my tall table. It is basically like longer than my arm. It is a huge box, you guys, and I'm super excited. So this is the Diamond Dotz Gone But Not Forgotten kit. It's not focusing in very well, but it is very big. And we'll just get started with the unboxing. It is an expert kit. So the box, Diamond Dotz usually shows you the picture up here. It tells you Diamond Dotz has a code for each one of their pictures. This is DD15.015. It tells you the name, Gone But Not Forgotten. It's an advanced expert kit. What I like about Diamond Dotz is this side right here is that they give you, if it will focus, hope it'll focus. There it goes. They give you the picture, the size, and then down here it tells you how many colors and how many drills are in this kit. So this kit is design size is 43.3 inches by 31.5 inches, and it has well, this isn't the side, it's this side. This side tells you the colors and the amount of drills. So it has 33 colors and 60,551 dots to dot. Okay, so this will be, I will have to see about my other one, but as of right now, if I do this one first, I think this will be the biggest kit I have ever done. But let's just get started on unboxing it. So let's see how big this is. Whew. Alright, so here's the canvas, and we'll just get out and I'll show you guys the drills come out. Piece of paper came out. Ooh, it did get kind of smushed on the way in, and it's very heavy. Like, these drills are super heavy. So, as you can see them, let me see if I can turn the brightness up a little bit. Hold on. Let me turn this brightness up as I climb on the table to turn my brightness up. Alright, that's better. Alright, so here's the drills, and it's super huge, so let's undo this. See all the colors. So with this one, it is not going to be very pretty colors, like, you know, girly colors or very bright colors or pastel colors. This is more of the darker earth tone hues, browns and dirt reds and all that. So with Diamond Dotz, you get a glittery drill pin. Okay, the pencil grip is what I like to call it. Okay, so you get your pencil kit, your drill pin that is actually clear and glittery. You get a wax container. This is actually unusual that this does not have a Diamond Dotz thing on top of it. Usually it says Diamond Dotz and has the Diamond Dot thing on it. With this though, oh, well, I got 2 this time. I've never had one with 2 before. This one came with 2 circles, it's surprising. However, with Diamond Dotz, remember to take off both plastics, okay? But there's that. And then, of course, as always, the little baggies you can put them in that they still don't give you enough baggies. But this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bags in it for 33 colors, okay? So this is the toolkit you get with the Diamond Dots kit. And then let's get to these drills. So you have 33 colors in your drills. And I'm trying to make sure I fold it the way they already come. So you have your grays and your greens and some more grays and some browns and more browns. Ooh, a lot of 7s. So there's a lot of 8395. So with Diamond Dots, they have their own code. However, you can ask for a code kit and they will send it to you. I have it behind me, and it will tell you what the DMC number is for their kits. If you want to add them, like I know their black is still 310, however they call it 8001 for their black. But that's the amount of drills you get. That is a whole bunch, and it's very heavy. So that's why this package was heavy. So we'll just put it back in here. But like I said, I'm super excited. There are no ABs with this one. I'm hoping to put this one with my Rexy, because I've already done Rexy, which Rexy was about 20,000 and something drills. So, alright, let's get to this canvas. So their canvases are very high quality. Okay, nice and sturdy canvases. And let's just, oh my gosh. This is a huge, huge picture. I don't think I realized how big this picture is. I don't even think I can get this whole picture out on here. Alright, let's see. So you have the clear topping the diamond. It's just going to keep going. I can't even get the whole, we're going to have to roll up the other side. Okay, of course, the thing in here. But if I had it unrolled, it is almost my whole table size. I have maybe about 1/4 of a table long done. But isn't this just gorgeous? It's not even gorgeous. Isn't this neat? This is neat. My son, this is like a huge poster size. It is just amazing. I love the detailing in the back. So this is a partial drill. So what that means is only the dinosaurs, or not all the dinosaurs, because like this dinosaur and this dinosaur is not. All the ones that are colored dinosaurs are drilled. However, it has these neat sketches behind here of other dinosaurs that just makes it so beautiful and so neat. Not even beautiful, just so neat. I mean, think about my son. He's 3, and he's gonna love this. And of course, it has your chart over here and your chart over here, and it's huge. I'm gonna have to work on it like one dinosaur at a time, probably. So I'll probably start with the long neck, and maybe this little guy over here, and then start with this guy, the pterodactyl, and then work from the, I think this is a T-Rex down. Okay, but isn't that neat? I'm super excited to start this one. I think I'll start this one first, and then I have a peacock one that I'm going to start. Okay, so I'm going to roll it back up, but just a short little unboxing tonight of this really neat, amazing dinosaur. I hope you guys enjoy the unboxing, and again, to come are some reviews when I get done with stuff. But this is super neat. Again, the colors are clear. The key is clear. There's no way to tell like what's what not. It is very clear. Even if the colors are simply almost the same color, the shape or the symbol is very neat and clear. So, hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see y'all next time.